Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about the automation process that I generally do to convert the PDF file into image files. Actually you can see this file. So this file has two pages. Actually it has two pages. Generally what I am doing is I want to convert them into images in a particular size. Also I have to convert them in larger sizes with watermarks. So this is what I generally what I do is that actually I convert them using multiple tools. Like I try to search for a lot of tool for the PDF conversion, and after the PDF conversion, for the watermark I had to find another tool. So I thought, actually, why shouldn't I do something which is useful for me and which I can automate with it. So I searched a lot on the net. As a basic coder, I thought actually I can use any kind of PDF tools or something like that, or PDF core tools or PDF SDKs or similar to that. And later I found ImageMagick. ImageMagick is a kind of SDK, or is a set of tools, or it has a lot of options. So I thought, why shouldn't I use the ImageMagick for everything? So later that actually I tried a lot of code with ImageMagick and found that ImageMagick does the job really well. So okay, now I can show the code to you. So this is the code. So this is the code I have written. So actually what does it do is a BAT file, as a batch file I have written. What does it do is the task is very simple. So whenever I am dragging and dropping a PDF file on this batch file, okay, so you don't need to type in a command line or anything like that. Even though it is a batch file, you don't need to type anything in the command line. So you just need to drag and drop the file. So what does it do is it checks for the file whether the file is dropped or not. If it is not dropped, it has to exit. Okay, and after that, so this command sets the PDF file path. Okay, and so this is the thing, like it generates some random number to create a folder. Okay, so to create a folder, what I am doing is I am using the ImageMagick here. I have to show you the ImageMagick path now. Okay, let me show that to you. So it's in my C drive, ImageMagick. So this is the folder where I have installed the ImageMagick. So what really happens is, once you are installing the ImageMagick, the path are assigned automatically in global. So what happens is, this magic convert can automatically call from the path. So you don't need to give the full path to call the ImageMagick. So what does it do now? So ImageMagick, it converts the file to 1000px and sets in the temporary directory. Okay, and this is another set of commands or code, I would say code. This code, what does the code do? That the code simply does, like it creates the watermark. It creates the watermark, does all the job to the generated images. And one more thing I really wanted to do, I need to convert the PDF to certain 320px size. So this is the command that converts the 320px image. Then it just waits for the timeout and it just comes out of the command line, and that's it. So this is the code, how it works. Okay, let me show you how I do that. So it's a batch file and this is the PDF file, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag it and drop it on the batch file. It just does all the magic here. And what does it do? So after the magic happens, you can see the file here. So generated, all the generated things are here. So here this is the file. I would say actually what is the size of this file? This is 1000px. That is really what I wanted to convert. Okay, fine. And this is the watermarked file. So this is the watermarked file. So you can see that. So this is how I really wanted to watermark. Okay, there is one more thing I wanted to do. There's the thumbnail file. I want to generate thumbnail file. So what is the size of the thumbnail file? So you can see the thumbnail file is 320. So in a matter of seconds, I generated basic image conversion, watermarked images, and then thumbnail images, all in a single drag and drop. So this is what the code does. I hope you like this kind of automation, and I thought and I hope to release other type of automation works in my future videos too. I'm sorry if my English is not is hard to understand or it's hard to follow. I hope this is somewhat useful to you people. Thank you.